Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bitbucket to IntelliJ. Open IntelliJ and the project you want to link to Bitbucket. Go to VCS, enable Git if needed, and add your project to version control. In Bitbucket, copy the repository URL, then in IntelliJ choose Git remotes and paste the URL. Authenticate using SSH key or app password, commit your files, and push to publish the project to Bitbucket. In this video, I will show how to connect Bitbucket to IntelliJ. Open IntelliJ and the project you want to link to Bitbucket. Start by confirming Git is installed and set user. Name and user. Email. Create an SSH key with SSH keygen or create an app password in Bitbucket settings for HTTPS. Add the SSH public key to Bitbucket or store the app password in IntelliJ credentials. This avoids auth errors when pushing and pulling. In this video, I will show how to connect Bitbucket to IntelliJ. Open IntelliJ and the project you want to link to Bitbucket. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker fills your workspace with clear sound and useful voice controls, perfect for music or timers during coding sessions. If you like this tip, subscribe and like for more practical guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to connect Bitbucket to IntelliJ. Open IntelliJ and the project you want to link to Bitbucket. After adding the remote URL, make a clear commit with a helpful message, then use push to send your branch to Bitbucket. If prompts appear, enter your SSH passphrase or app password. Confirm the branch appears on Bitbucket and use pull when collaborating with teammates to stay synced.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.